The next trade, you're taking 5 lots. If you lose on that one, you're done for the day. If you win on that second trade, regardless of what the win is, you're done for the fucking day. You do not trade in the PM session. Done. But Michael, but shit! You don't fucking trade again. You won. Leave it there. There's other trading opportunities. Stop fucking thinking that one trade idea, that one particular trading session is the be-all end-all. That's your fucking career. You're trying to encapsulate your entire fucking lifetime career in that one trading day. The fuck is wrong with you? Stop thinking like that. That's what every neophyte retail losing fucking prick does.